Buying your first house in the United States can feel exciting, but it is also one of the most important financial decisions you will ever make. Many first-time buyers jump in without understanding the process, and that often leads to costly mistakes. If you follow a clear, step-by-step approach, you can make the entire journey much smoother and more confident. The first thing you need to focus on is your credit score, because it plays a major role in whether you get approved for a home loan and what interest rate you receive. In the U.S., lenders typically use the FICO score system to evaluate your credit worthiness. A score of at least 620 is usually required, but if your score is above 700, you are more likely to qualify for better interest rates, which can save you thousands of dollars over time. Once you understand your credit position, the next step is saving for a down payment. This is the upfront amount you pay when purchasing a home, and it usually ranges from 3% to 20% of the property price. For example, if a house costs $300,000, your down payment could be anywhere between $9,000 and $60,000. A higher down payment reduces your loan amount and lowers your monthly mortgage payments, making your financial burden easier to manage. After preparing your savings, you should get pre-approved for a home loan. This step involves a lender reviewing your income, credit history, and financial stability to determine how much money they are willing to lend you. Getting pre-approved not only gives you a clear budget, but also makes you a more serious buyer in the eyes of sellers. Many first-time buyers in the U.S. also explore loan options backed by the Federal Housing Administration, which allows lower down payments and more flexible qualification criteria. With your budget in place, you can begin searching for the right home. This is where many buyers make emotional decisions, but it is important to stay practical. Instead of focusing only on the size or appearance of the house, consider factors like location, nearby schools, safety, and job opportunities in the area. A well-located home often increases in value over time, making it a smarter, long-term investment. Once you find a suitable property, the next step is making an offer. This involves proposing a price to the seller based on market value and property condition. In many cases, there is room for negotiation, and the final price may be lower than the listing price. At this stage, you will also need to provide an earnest money deposit, which shows that you are serious about the purchase. After your offer is accepted, the process moves into inspection and closing. A home inspection is crucial because it helps identify any hidden problems, such as structural damage, plumbing issues, or electrical faults. If major issues are found, you can renegotiate the deal or even walk away. Closing is the final step where all legal documents are signed, payments are completed, and ownership is officially transferred to you. Keep in mind that closing costs usually range from 2% to 5% of the home's price. It is also important to avoid common mistakes during this journey. Many first-time buyers take on additional debt, such as using credit cards heavily, which can negatively impact their loan approval. Others fail to maintain an emergency fund, leaving them financially vulnerable after the purchase. Overspending on a house beyond your budget is another common error that can create long-term financial stress. In conclusion, buying your first home in the United States is not just about owning property. It is about making a well-planned financial move. By maintaining a good credit score, saving wisely, understanding the loan process, and making informed decisions, you can turn your dream of home ownership into a secure and rewarding reality.